In this video, you'll learn how to dub a Chinese video into English using 11 Labs. This process involves several steps from logging in to creating your dub and selecting the appropriate settings for your project. Begin by navigating to the 11 Labs website. Once you arrive at the homepage, log into your Kramtelza. If you don't have an account yet, you will need to create one. This step is essential as it allows you access to the dubbing features of the platform. After successfully logging in, locate and click on the option labeled Dubbing in the main menu. This will direct you to the dubbing section where you can start creating your project. It is important to familiarize yourself with the available options and settings in this area. Next, click on the button that says Create a Dub. This action will prompt a new window or section to appear where you can begin customizing your dubbing project. You will need to enter a project name that reflects the content you will be dubbing. Once you have entered your project name, you will need to specify the source language. Look for the option marked source language and select Chinese from the drop-down menu. Selecting the correct language is crucial as it ensures the dubbing process recognizes the original audio accurately. Following this, you will need to set the target language in the section labeled Target Languages. Click on the option for English. This selection indicates the language into which the original audio will be translated and dubbed. Confirm that both language selections are correct before proceeding. Now, you must choose your audio or video source. You will see options to upload files, use YouTube, TikTok, or other URLs. For this tutorial, click on the option labeled Other URL. This allows you to input a link to the video you want to dub. Ensure that the URL is accessible and properly formatted. After entering the appropriate URL, look for the button that says Create Dub. Clicking this will initiate the dubbing process. Depending on the length of the video and your internet connection speed, this step may take some time. Be mindful of the file size as larger videos may require longer processing times. Once the dubbing is complete, you should receive a confirmation notification. You can then review your dubbed video to ensure that the audio aligns correctly with the visuals. It is advisable to check the final product for any discrepancies in timing or translation accuracy. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.